Welcome to the Panorama panel. This is what's inside your installation kit. This is everything you need for your unique home setup. We're going to get started with the focal meter. This device comes with 3 parts. They will be labeled FM-A, the small black box, FM-B, the power cable, and FM-C, the internet cable. You'll just plug in the power cable into an outlet and into the small black box. Then, the internet cable connects the black box to your Wi-Fi router. Plug the internet cable into any available Ethernet port on your router as shown here. You are ready to go through the tablet setup. This device comes in 5 parts: the power adapter and the USB cable, the contact microphone, the tablet stand, and finally the tablet, also referred to as the People Meter 7 or PM7 for short. Next, we're going to plug in the People Meter 7 tablet. You're going to get the tablet and its stand, and you're going to use the holes on the back of the tablet to slide it into the stand and place it as close to the TV as possible. Once you have the tablet situated, you can grab the charger. The USB cable and the power adapter work like a phone charger. Plug that into any outlet and into the port on the side of the tablet. The tablet will power on and prompt you to connect the TV sensor. You're going to unplug your TV's power cord and plug it right into the sensor as shown here. It is better to plug it into a wall outlet, but a power strip should work fine as well. The tablet will ask if the TV is on. Make sure the TV is turned off and press the red No button. Then turn the TV on. Now, let's plug in the contact microphone onto the side of the tablet using the 3.5mm jack as shown here. The tablet will ask you to set up your microphone. Tap the Let's Go button and select your microphone on the tablet screen as shown here. Then find and clean one of the speakers of the TV, remove the paper cover from the adhesive, and firmly press the microphone to the TV speaker. Let's set up your Wi-Fi and avatars. Click on the Configure Wi-Fi pop-up. A list of available networks will pop up. Select your Wi-Fi and enter the password. Once the tablet connects, you'll see a thank you message. Now click the Set Your Avatars pop-up if you want to customize your avatar. Select your name and you can scroll through your avatar until you find one to your liking. Tap Done on the bottom right and you'll see a thank you message. If you have any questions, please call us and we'll be happy to assist you.